everyone, Sandy here. Welcome back. Today I have some plant mail. So recently I entered in to do a swap. This swap is called the Hoya Haven Fall 2020 swap. So I finally got my box here. Today is Tuesday the 8th, I think. Yeah, Tuesday the 8th. So yeah, I got my box and I'm very excited to see what's inside. This one here is not really part of the swap. So the person I was partnered with really liked the cuttings I've given her, and she said she's gonna send me something as a thank you. So again, very excited to see what she sent back to me. She really didn't have to, but yeah, can't wait. Okay, so where's my box cutter? Oh, here we go. I'm downstairs with my husband. He's working here, but since I want to cover up the label, I'll have him film for a little bit. Because I was too lazy to rip off the label. This is actually the second swap I've entered. I find these swaps over on Facebook. The first time was also a Hoya swap too. Oh my god. Got a card. Do you want me to put it on a tripod now since I have... Okay, sorry. I'm gonna take the phone back. Sorry, I'm gonna take the camera back. Where's the tripod? So I got a cute card. Oh, very pretty. Okay, I don't know if I should show the card. So let me just read it off the side. So yeah, she mentioned that one of the wish list plant I've listed, she has. So can't wait to see which one it is. So my wish list is not that long. There's just so much Hoyas I want. I mean, I can't put every single one on it, right? So yeah, I just put out a couple that's on top of my head that I could think of. Okay. I don't know why she said she didn't do a good job packaging. It looks really good. Okay, so here's the first one. I love how she used such pretty wrapping paper. I feel bad how when I wrap mine, I just use the brown paper that Amazon uses. Ooh. Here you go. Ooh. Here's the first one. And I don't have this one. Awesome. Next. These swaps are so much fun. It's like Christmas. Yeah. Nice surprises.
Is that the wish list?
I don't know. Anyway, I love it. Is it on my wish list? I don't even remember. Oh, I'm shaking. Wow, look how shiny. So pretty. These are all Hoyas. Well, it could be other stuff, but...
You want to measure?
Measure for what? Don't mind my husband. I don't know what he's doing. Another one I don't have. Oh my god. Thank you, thank you. Hoya obscura. This is actually on my wish list. I actually did get a cutting recently, but it was just one leaf. So, oh my god. Yeah. Oh, and I did purchase one of these cuttings in the past, and I killed it. Actually, maybe I didn't kill it. I really don't think I killed it. It just didn't arrive to me healthy, I think. Okay, wow, there's so much more. You gotta, you're so generous. Oh my god. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and this one. I actually have this again recently. Let's see. I'm not going to pronounce it because knowing me, for those who watch my videos already, I butcher names. So, yeah. I obtained one of these cuttings through a local swap. Yeah. But hers is a small cutting, so it'll be nice if I pot them up together. Make it more full. Ah! Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Oh, this one's a mug, I think. Oh my god, so cute! This is a hedgehog?
Show me.
Oh, damn, I have to show my husband too. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so this is the last thing in this box. Oh. Oh wow! Little mini lights. I don't know why, but I thought maybe it would have a test to make the lights light up, but nope. Very cute. Ooh, and yummy. You know what? My Swedish fish is my favorite.
Oh my god, they gave you candy?
She's giving me everything. Oh my god.
The kids are already here waiting for it.
I know my daughter's eyeing it right now. Yes, you are. And wow, gardening gloves too.
Very nice.
Thank you, thank you. You're so nice, so generous. Oh my god, I feel so blessed. So that's my swap that I've gotten. Back up my camera. Oh, I almost forgot this. Focus, focus. There you go. Cheese. Click, click, click. Again, if you do ever see my video, I'm not sure if you follow me or not. I just want to thank you. Thank you so much. I love these. Okay, so this one, it's not part of the swap. This was just a gift from the person I had. She said she just wanted to send me something back. So again, I wonder if I can cut it here so that way I won't show you the label. I mean, I can blur it out, but knowing me, it takes forever for me to find and figure out how to blur things. So, yeah, I'm lazy. And you know what? I blur things before in the past, but I always still have to look it up to see how to do it. Oh my god. Wow, these little wax stamps. They're so cute. Okay, I'm going to read it off camera. Oh my gosh, she said, I should hope I can cross out some of my wish list plant. There's more than one in here. Yeah, so this is the paper I used to wrap her things with.
You got your paper back?
No, actually no, this is not mine. Oh. But it's this type of paper I mean.
That would have been funny.
The Amazon packaging. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I can't tell. I don't think she... And she didn't write it on her card, right? Let me see. No, she didn't. I'm just going to open this one first because this one is not in that plastic box, because I have a feeling if I were to take this apart, it might be a little messy. So let's take a look at this one first. You know, she really didn't have to send me back anything. But, you know, you guys, people out there are just so nice.
Oh, it's variegated.
Oh my god! Oh my! This is not a Hoya, by the way.
It's variegated, huh?
my husband. This is like staring me down. Oh my god! I actually really wanted one of these. Oh my god! Thank you so much. Oh my! I feel so bad that she sent me another box. Sent me a box.
Is this your first one?
My first one.
One of those?
First variegated one.
It's rooted, huh?
Yeah. Wow. I've had other Syngoniums. Again, sorry for pronunciation. I call it the arrowhead plant. How about that? Cheese. My husband taking pictures of me in the back. Oh my god, I think this wish list that she's looking at is from my previous plant swap, because this was not in my current wish list.
But you're still excited.
Very excited. Oh!
Is that new too?
It's new. Yeah, I don't have this. Is this the Peru, right? Monstera Peru. Oh my god, you guys are she's so nice. You can see my hands are shaking. Thank you, thank you. So should I keep this in moss? It's not rooted up yet. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm sorry if the video's not focusing. I think I'm moving too much. So we're very happy. Wow, you guys made my day. You too. Both of you guys. I don't know if I should mention names, but when I do posts on Facebook, I will mention their names, so you'll see who gave me these gifts if you do follow those Hoya Facebook groups. But on this video, I don't think I'll put their names unless they are okay with it. Okay, so yeah, hope you like this quick unboxing. Oh my god, these swaps are so much fun. For sure, I'll join again. My sister Erica is also waiting on her box, so stay tuned. I'm pretty sure she'll film it, and when she does, I'll have that posted. Okay, again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, help me out, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.